Artificial intelligence has transformed how we work and learn. Whether you're a student juggling assignments and exams or a professional managing deadlines and projects, AI tools can save time, boost productivity, and enhance creativity. But with so many options out there, which AI tools are truly worth using? In this video, we'll explore the best AI tools that can help students and professionals alike. From AI-powered writing assistants to smart scheduling apps, research helpers, and even AI tools that enhance creativity and critical thinking. By the end, you'll have a powerful set of tools that can streamline your workflow, reduce stress, and improve your efficiency. Let's dive in. 1. AI writing assistants. Elevate your writing skills. One of the most valuable AI-powered tools for students and professionals is an AI writing assistant. Whether you need to write essays, reports, business emails, or creative content, AI can help you generate ideas, improve clarity, and eliminate errors. Grammarly. This is a must-have AI tool that helps with grammar, punctuation, and style. Grammarly not only corrects mistakes but also suggests ways to make your writing more concise and impactful. Students can use it for essays and assignments, while professionals can refine business emails, reports, and presentations. Quillbot. This AI-powered paraphrasing tool is great for rewriting sentences in a clearer and more engaging way. It helps students avoid plagiarism and enhances sentence structure, making content easier to understand. ChatGapt. Beyond just writing assistants, ChatGapt can help brainstorm ideas, generate content, and even draft entire essays or business proposals. Whether you're a student looking for a well-structured argument or a professional drafting reports, ChatGapt can significantly speed up the process. 2. AI research and information gathering. Research is a time-consuming process, but AI tools can help speed things up by summarizing information, finding sources, and even answering complex questions. Elicit. This AI-powered research tool helps students and professionals find relevant academic papers and summarize key findings. Instead of sifting through dozens of research papers, Elicit extracts important insights in seconds. Perplexity AI. Acting as an AI-powered search engine, Perplexity AI provides detailed answers with references, making it a great alternative to Google for academic and professional research. Consensus. A research-focused AI tool that analyzes scientific papers and provides evidence-based answers to complex questions. Ideal for students in science and business fields who need well-supported arguments. 3. AI-powered note-taking and organization. Keeping track of notes, ideas, and important information is crucial for both students and professionals. AI tools can help organize information efficiently and make it easily accessible. Notion AI. Notion is already a popular note-taking app, but with its AI-powered features, it becomes an even more powerful productivity tool. It helps summarize notes, generate task lists, and even answer questions based on saved information. Otter.ai. This AI tool transcribes voice recordings in real time, making it perfect for students who want to record lectures or professionals who need meeting notes. Evernote. With AI integration, Evernote helps organize notes, clip web pages, and even suggest connections between different pieces of information. 4. AI-powered task management and scheduling. Managing deadlines, assignments, and projects is easier with AI-powered task managers that automate scheduling, reminders, and productivity tracking. Motion. This AI-powered scheduling tool optimizes your calendar by automatically scheduling tasks based on priority and availability. Reclaim.ai. An AI tool that automatically schedules time for important tasks, breaks, and meetings while balancing workload. Todoist AI. A smart task manager that categorizes tasks, sets priorities, and provides reminders based on deadlines. 5. AI for presentations and visual content. Creating professional-looking presentations and visuals is crucial for both students and professionals. AI tools can help design slides, generate images, and enhance overall presentation quality. Canva AI. This AI-powered design tool makes it easy to create visually appealing presentations, infographics, and social media content. Canva's AI features help suggest layouts, colors, and even generate text-based designs. Tome AI. An AI-powered presentation generator that creates visually stunning slides in seconds. Just enter a topic, and Tome AI will generate a structured, well-designed presentation with relevant content. Beautiful.ai. This AI tool automatically adjusts slide layouts, making presentations look polished and professional without much effort. Final thoughts: the future of AI in learning and work. AI is more than just a trend, it's a game changer that's redefining the way students learn and professionals work. By automating repetitive tasks, enhancing creativity, and providing personalized assistance, AI tools free up time for deeper learning, problem solving, and innovation. For students, AI makes studying more efficient, research more accessible, and writing more polished. It provides smart solutions for time management, note-taking, and language learning. For professionals, AI optimizes workflows, enhances communication, and even aids in decision-making. From AI-powered scheduling to intelligent coding assistance, these tools eliminate inefficiencies and allow professionals to focus on high-impact tasks.